In October 2020, WA Landcare Group Greenskills acquired a 50-hectare former farming property at Tootanellup, near Rocky Gully, for eco-restoration and education to help protect our environment. The project is part of Gondwana Link, which for 20 years has promoted an inspiring vision of restoring healthy, connected bushland from Margaret River to the Great Western Woodlands. Tootanellup lies in the heart of Gondwana Link, west of Mount Barker, between Mount Roe National Park in the Walpole Wilderness area and the Stirling Range National Park. Thanks to the donations from many committed individuals, Greenskills is progressing on the fundraising journey to cover the property purchase and its eco-development. I can report that a highlight of the first year has been a start made to revegetation of 25 hectares of the property with direct seeding of over 75 local flora species. Greenskills is partnering with Carbon Positive Australia and Dr. Jeff Woodall to plan and to carry out this revegetation. A team of Mount Barker and Noongar Noongar rangers, coordinated through Greening Australia, have collected some of the local seed used in the project. The ranger team also helped install 11 mammal nesting boxes in bushland on the property. Nesting boxes are important to support the monitoring and conservation of marsupial species, including the brush-tailed phascogale and yellow-footed antechinus. A range of community tours and an environmental camp have already taken place on Tootanellup. Detailed planning for bushfire management and a dedicated eco-camping facility has commenced. Greenskills is continuing to fundraise to cover the Tootanellup purchase and restoration works. We're working with adjoining landholders and BirdLife WA in surveying and planning for the conservation of both privately and publicly owned properties in the surrounding Kent catchment. We are hoping that you can help us with this healing of our beautiful country.